How to make dead in Infinite Craft. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply bring water on your boat, then bring wind on top of it. It will create a wave. Now bring earth on top of it and it will create sand for you. Now add water on top of sand and it will create a beach for you. Now we need to bring water on board, then bring earth on top of water and we get plant. Now we need to add this plant on beach and we get palm. Now we need to add sand on this palm, so we will just simply search for sand and add on palm and we get oasis. Now we need to add plant on this oasis and let me add it and we get a date. Now we need to add palm for this date, so we will just simply search for palm and add it, and this way we will get dead. And this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.